So the key to this question, these two words here. Y is directly proportional. We use the letter K. It's called the constant of proportionality. When it's directly proportional, it's just K, x squared. So all I have done here is written this little bit here in algebra using a formula, equation. So y equals k x squared. So we use the information we get told. If y is 100 and x is 5, what we can do is work out the value of that constant proportionality, the value of k. So 100 equals k times 25. We divide to find k, so k is 4. Now none of that is your answer. What your answer is, because we are writing an equation, we take this and replace the k with what we found out. So that is my formula, my equation. So again for this question, y is directly proportional, so that's the case, but this time to the square root of x. Alright, so if y is 45 and x is 225, well, the square root of 225 is 15. Divide to find k, which is 3. Remember, that is not your answer. We take the thing at the start, the equation at the start, rewrite it with, instead of the letter k, we would write 3. Because that's what we worked out. Now this one slightly changes. I've got the words inversely proportional. We use the same system, but we write it to slightly different to start with. So it's y is inversely means we have an underline. And the rest of the question goes underneath, so it becomes a fraction. So that says y is inversely proportional to x. So directly we just continue writing, and then but inversely we create a division, a fraction. But then from now on we do exactly the same. If y is 4 and x is 5, this times we times to work out k, so 4 times 5 is 20. We take the original equation, rewrite it, but instead of k we put 20. Done. So again we have that inversely proportional. So y is inversely, so that's where the k and the underline comes in, to x squared. We create a division. Plug in what we know, 10 equals k over x squared, so that's 3 squared. So 10 equals k over 9. So that means k equals 10 times 9, which is 90. So we take the original equation and rewrite it. Instead of k, we put what we've worked out, 90.